It's been a little over a month since we were told that Jamie Foxx was rushed to the hospital for a medical complication, and we are finally getting a more extensive update on his progress. According to new reports from TMZ, Jamie's family, including his two daughters, Corinne and Annalise, as well as Annalise's mother, Kristen Granis, spent last weekend with Jamie at a Chicago facility that's considered the top physical medicine and rehabilitation center in the country. And signs are pointing to Jamie recovering well, as he seemed to set up a Mother's Day surprise for Kristen, since she was seen leaving the facility with flowers and Happy Mother's Day balloons. Jamie's youngest daughter, Annalise, was spotted leaving the facility with her guitar, where we can assume she had a jam session with her proud father. And Corinne was in good spirits, smiling and sharing a little PDA with her boyfriend outside of the facility. Jamie has reportedly been at the facility since late April, where they specialize in stroke recovery, traumatic brain injury rehab, spinal cord injury rehab, and cancer rehabilitation. This would definitely explain why we haven't seen any pictures of Jamie or heard Jamie's voice since before Corinne's initial announcement that he had experienced a medical complication back on April 12th. Corinne has stayed by Jamie's side, and it seems like she's been sending out coded messages since the very start about her father's progress and what his recuperation would look like. Like in her initial announcement, when she told us he had experienced a medical complication the previous day, but was already on his way to recovery due to quick action and great care while asking for privacy. It seems like she was basically saying, regardless of what you may hear, Jamie will be okay, but don't expect to hear a lot from them while he is recovering. And as the weeks passed with no news from the family, the media did what they always do and tried to create a story to force the family to come out and refute them or feed them. So we started hearing all about clones, retaliation, and life support. The only response to that was a few Instagram posts from Jamie's account saying how he appreciates all the love and that he was feeling blessed, as well as thanking Nick Cannon for filling in for him temporarily on Beat Shazam. Again, basically telling us it was going to take some time before we see Jamie. But since no one actually saw or heard Jamie say this, even worse rumors were spread, filling the atmosphere with all kinds of grim reports, which had Corinne calling out the media on May 12th for reckless reports that were spreading dire rumors about Jamie's progress. She said, "Sad to see how the media runs wild. My dad has been out of the hospital for weeks and is recuperating. In fact, he was playing pickleball yesterday." Knowing what we do now about the rehab facility definitely explains the pickleball comment. And on May 15th, Corinne gave another progress report, letting us know that Jamie would definitely be back in action in time for a new game show called We Are Family that they will be hosting in 2024, letting us know that they expect Jamie to be fully recovered in 2024. Hopefully, the new reports about the rehab facility will ensure that Jamie is able to fully recover in dignity and privacy without people trying to knock him off in the media. Do you think Corinne was giving us details all along? Remember to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Have fun today.